Angithathe lethuba nguvusele mbukeli we-JTM nguvusela ke namhlanje la eHappy Valley eZulwini lokungiletha lapha i-prom night abantu besikolo base SOS eMbabane becele nje kumbe kutawuvalelisana njengaloku kulanga labo legcina kumbe lesikolo ayibangeni leliphakeme ngisatha ukuthi nje kuba acocisa sengibevele ukuthi engabe bathi bajabule kangakanani ukuthi yini ke lesebayigadzile njengaloku phela sekucala kwempilo mbamba lena apart from them being in a prom night.
Shout out to JTM Media. My name is Tobalen Kosizwane and I'm here. I'm schooling at Herman Maina High School. We are here for our prom. Today is our special day. We are just here to express our beauty. Yeah.
Hi guys, this is Posetso Sugati. I'm so excited about this day. Shout out to JTM Media. Cheers to JTM Media. Subscribe guys.
Hi viewers, my name is Thandolengo Sisimelane and I'm here for the SOS Herman Maina High prom night, and I'd like to give a special shout out to JTM Media and for everything they've done for tonight. Thank you.
Hi viewers, my name is Gradim Parton. Today we're here at Happy Valley Hotel having the class of 2025 SOS Herman Maina High School prom night. I would like to have a special shout out to JTM Media for what they've done for us, and we're really excited to see what happens throughout the night. Thank you so much.
Sanibona hayi no thina shitono asesimele mabhinga sesike siwasingathe ngafe emabhinga onke lamalanga beta bagqoke tinsudu onke lamalanga no nasi bashito baka JT Media sesitobabusisa sesike sisonzele sesithi hayi no lethe wona lamabhinga savela afikile sithi phakama J Media yeah